In this video, we want to look at how we can loop on the files in one specific folder. So in this folder currently open on my screen. So I'm just going to copy the path of this folder and I'm going to open the macro. And the first thing we're going to do in this macro is actually identifying the path of the folder that we want to loop in. So that's what I just did. I just copied and pasted the path of this folder that we just displayed. And I'm going to use several different variables for this. I'm going to use first one called myFolder as an object, then the path myFolder as a string, then the dim current file as object, and then the name current file as string. The reason is, first we identify the path of the folder, then we're going to create the object. We're going to identify the folder on which we want to loop on, and then we're going to use the for each next loop. So we're going to say for each current file in my folder, we want to get the name of the current file by using the variable currentFile.name, and then we want to display the name of the file. And that's just going to be what our loop does. Of course, here you could potentially afterwards check on what kind of file it is. If you want to open it and do some modifications, you could. If you want to copy this file, and so on and so forth. So you have more things that you can do here, but it's just to demonstrate how to loop on files in a folder. So here I'm just going to launch it. The current file's name here is myPDF.pdf. That's the first file, and then the second file is called testfile.xlsx, which is the Excel file that I'm using for these tutorials. So when I go back to the folder, indeed I had those two files only, and those are the two files that we displayed in our loop.